The following is paid for by the People's National Party.
When growing up, you learn your ABC, but nobody ever told you that the letter X would be so important.
Nobody told me that the letter X would become so important.
I have made this X 6 times before.
This is my first X, and I will make it count.
And that is why people all over Jamaica are saying,
My X is for no tax and overtime.
my X is for the $500,000 grant to help young people like myself to put a down payment on a house.
My X is for safe transport for children.
My X is for honest leadership.
My X is for the $3.5 million tax threshold so that everybody, and not just the rich, can benefit.
My X is for better health care.
This X is for my son.
And this X is for my mother, for that first in the family scholarship and that land title in her hand.
X is the voice you have to change Jamaica. X is the power that can give you and your children a better life.
Your X is your future.
Your X is your power.
On election day, put your X.
Put your X beside the head.
Saying it again. Be a better Jamaica. Secure your future. Time come for the
The proceeding was paid for by the People's National Party.